Hello, this is Steve Milton, and I'm going through my Xamarin Forms demonstration. All right, so this is the application running now on the Android emulator. I don't have a Apple machine, so I have nothing to test the iOS app on, but this is the Android app, and it seems to work well. This is the main page. If I click on plus, then it will open up the new notes. Enter note entry. So I'll go in here. I'll put in whatever. This is a test note. Period. All right, and I'll save that. And you'll notice down here you have all the spell check things and the quick check stuff. I got the keyboard. I'll go ahead and save it. And it pops up on the screen so I can see it. Now you can go and do a second note. This one we're going to make a bit longer just so we can see the way it doesn't really wrap, but the way it shows that wrap. So this is going to be a very long description of application to see how it displays on the screen. Okay. So we'll go ahead and save that. Okay, so we can see it all there. Let's just do one more to show that the delete actually works. Okay, so this is a delete. Spell. L-E-T. Okay, so save that. Alright, so all of them show up. Everything looks good there. If I go here, click on this. It shows it again. I can go and delete it, and now it's gone. So, I mean, there's really not a whole lot to this other than that you're able to really demonstrate the Android app on the screen and the way it works. But, you know, everything seemed to work well. So, hopefully that's good for what you're looking for here. Thank you.